So guys, here again share one more solving video I came on the LeetCode Camp channel, and today's video we are solving in the weekly contest 4, and our question is 398 question we are solving in today's videos, and the third question in our weekly contest 4. Okay, so our weekly contest 3 and 2 is ended very successfully, yes, and now we are come on to our weekly contest 4, in which I am solving our third question 398. Okay, so and this is a medium one question. In the next video we solve the hard question. Okay, but in today's video we are solving the medium one, so get ready for it, and please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on the channel. So let's move toward on the big screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start to solve a 398 question by the name of random pick index, and this is a medium one, like I've told you in my introduction already. Okay, so first of all we read question carefully, as then we will be solve this. Okay, so let's copy this question and let's drag and drop this question in my Word file. Okay, so my Word is opening. When my Word has been opening, I has been paste this question with examples and constraints in the Word file. So I'm giving the font to the pop-in, so I will be tell you clearly. Now let's understand the question. It is saying me it is given an integer array nums in my code. Here you can see it. Here it give the one integer array nums. Now with possible duplicates with a possible duplicate, highlighted the duplicates, randomly output the index of a given target number. You can assume that the given target number must exist in the array. Implement the solution class. First, solution rounded brackets int, then square bracket nums initializes the object with the array nums. This one implement the solution class which it hasn't give me. Then it is saying me int pick int target, and it's saying picks a random index I from nums. Pick a random index from I from nums, where nums square bracket I equals to target. If there are multiple valid, then each index should have an equal probability of returning. So these two implement the solution class which it has been given me. So let's move to an example. Example 1, it has been given me the input is square bracket solution pick, then 1 2 3 3, the output will become null 4 0 2. Why? Because solution equals to new solution rounded bracket square bracket 1 2 3 3 3. Solution dot pick rounded bracket 3, it should return either index 2 3 or 4 randomly. Each index will have equal probability of returning. Then in the number 3, solution dot pick rounded brackets 1, it should return 0 since in the array only nums square bracket 0 is equal to 1. Solution dot pick rounded bracket 3, it should return either index 2 3 or 4 randomly. Each index should have equal probability of returning. So in the our case 1, our first case the output must become null, 4, 0, 2. So in our first case this type of an output will become, okay, there is a first case, so this must be video will be smaller, because in today's video we only solve the case 1. There are not any case 2 and case 3, there are only case 1, so that's why the video will be smaller. Okay, constraints, these are the constraints which we have used in this code. Okay, so let's read question one more time. It is saying given an integer array nums with possible integer array, means like in the integer array nums there is only the numbers, not anything else, with possible duplicates. Duplicates is a very main thing, because I highlighted it possible because it is saying me with nums with possible duplicates, so please highlight it the duplicates. And then it is saying me randomly output the index of a given target number. Then you can assume that the given target number exists in the array, and then see the implement the solution, because I have already understand this. So when we understand the question 2 times, so let's come on to write a code. So I have come on it here. So first of all you want to remove these things. Okay, only, okay, remove this. So let's start to write the code. First of all you come on it here, write yourself dot indices Okay, it is saying me with possible duplicates, so indices equals to default dict, and in the dict you write list. Okay, when you define a list here, so enter press list, enter press. Okay, right here for I comma num in, then you write enumerate nums and then semicolon. When you do these things, you write self dot indices one more time. Self dot indices then square bracket num, because it's saying given an integer as in num, so that's why we define here nums. Then dot append. Append means it will be merge two things together. Okay, so append it's break for this. Write rounded bracket I. Then you do not write anything. Here you write return. So like I have told you, this code are very smaller, because in today's video we only found our case one answer. So that's why we write little bit code. So this was last line of our code. So random the choice, in which you write self dot indice. Okay, when you write these things, self dot indice. Okay, I think so it's perfect. These are the perfect code or not. Okay, I think so this is perfect. I, then nums and then list. Okay, so now let's start and let's run this code and let's see our output is correct, but let's recheck our code one more time. It given an integer and array nums, and we already we worked our integer array nums with possible duplicates. Randomly output the index of a given target number. You can assume that the given target number must exist in the array. And this one implement solution which it has been given me. So, and let's see the example one more time. Okay, I do the all the same thing which it has been told me in my explanation and in the question. So I think so our answer is correct. So let's run it. So when I run it, so it must be correct. Okay, it is giving me the error here. I know it will give me the error here, because I'm thinking there is error in this line. Okay, so but let me solve it. First of all, I'm seeing the example. Okay, the example. Let's see the example one more time. Example. Let's come with example input, and then and explanation. Let's see the explanation. Okay, self indice. I write indice. So what we want to do this. Okay, okay, indices. Okay, we define here rounded bracket, sorry, square bracket means that, and then target. So I think so now it will be correct. And now let's see. Okay, here you can see it is accepted in our case when the output has been coming correct. Okay, here you can see it, and let's submit it and let's see our output has been coming correct or not. So let's submit. So you can see in our submit our answer is correct, and we come on our top of the page. Here you can see it in the 41 millisecond we solve it, and we come in the top. Here you can see it, and I do not log in my account of the Rayyan Big by the mistake, so that's why I'm not showing you my account. But go and view my profile. My profile name is Rayyan Big, and let's see. Uh, 4 lakh 10,000 people submit this, and only 2 lakh 63,000 accepted it. So but we solved it very easily. Yes, and now I hope you enjoy this video, in this video we solve a 398 question by the name of random pick index. So if you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss over these type of videos on this channel of the Coded PK channel. So now let me meet you in the next lesson, next very amazing like that type of videos. Okay, so but anyways, so now for today, goodbye.